All right, turn the camera on here with this red button. Turn the backlight on here with our backlight button. These control the gain on the camera. The gain is up here where it says 12. Basically, if I push it up, it goes to 13 or 14. When the default is, it starts at 50, but we're close to our sonde in the studio here. So I'm going to turn it down to 12 so I have a readable value, right? Here is my frequency displayed here. If I press the frequency button, I'd cycle through the various frequencies and modes of the unit. Back to 512, which is where I want to be. This one here turns on our speaker, which I'm going to leave off because we're talking. Okay, so I'm now going to go down and reduce my gain so I've got a readable value. Right, so now I've got a readable value. We'll leave it on about 12 for this in the studio here. I'm going to start walking a grid. Now normally you would hold the line vertically like I am, move it backwards and forwards until you get a reading that's the highest, and then I would step forward. Now I'm getting up to more than 70% here, so I'm 99%. So I'm going to reduce my gain to get a more readable value. Here I am. I'm going to reduce it down again. And that is my highest value on this setting, right? When I sweep to the left, it drops off. Goes back up and goes back down. And then I can come back a little bit until I get the highest value. And that would, I'd now place the blade on the ground and mark it, and mark either side of the blade as where I would dig. That would be where my sonde is. Now, if I wish to work out the depth, if you come back in line, you'll get a bump like this, where it says 12 here. Yep. I'd then put the blade on the ground and mark the front of the blade. And I'd come back up to my value again and go forward until I hit 12, so I get the bump. Put the blade down, mark the front of the blade, and the distance between the two marks times 0.7 is your depth. Instructions are clearly located on the side of the unit here, and they're quite easy to read and understand. The main thing is, before you use the unit, read the manual. It comes with an internally charged lithium-ion battery, and basically you connect your charger into this unit here, right? And that charges it up. Once it's fully charged, basically it's fairly easy. Doesn't matter what camera you've got, if it runs on 33, 512 or 640 kilohertz, this unit will pick it up. And that's all.